Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm here Tulika. How are you doing? I'm doing fine, thank you. Nowadays I receive the same question again and again from you guys. How can I lose weight? Share a diet plan for weight loss. So here I am. If you want to lose weight, you need to understand one thing very clearly. It's not gonna be a miracle. You haven't gained the weight overnight, right? So it will take time to lose the weight. A balanced diet, workout, and healthy lifestyle can help you to achieve your desired goal. Now, what is balanced diet? A balanced diet is a diet which contains different food in certain quantities and proportions, which is important to maintain or improve your overall health, which provides your body essential minerals, vitamins, protein, healthy fat, carbohydrates, and fiber. Everybody needs to understand that how many calories you should consume in a day. I have made a video about that how many calories you should consume in a day. I will share the link in description below, so go and check this out. Those who wants to lose weight, you need to consume 1200 calories per day. Not more than that or not less than that, because our body needs at least 1200 calories per day. In this video today, I'll be sharing with you a 1200 calories meal plan which is nutritious, fulfilling, healthy, will help you to lose weight. This 1200 calories meal plan will help you to lose weight. But one thing, you should remember that you have to do workouts. This meal plan will not make you gain extra weight. But if you want to lose weight, you have to do workout. So you are going to consume only 1200 calories in a day. So you are not going to gain any weight from your food. And you are going to do workouts. So you are going to lose some calories. Result, weight loss. So now you know how to lose weight first. Let's prepare the 1200 calories meal plan. But before starting this video, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. Let's prepare. After waking up, you can have your morning drink at first. It could be lukewarm water or lemon water. Try to have those drinks which promotes weight loss. After that, wait for 30 minutes and then go for your breakfast. For breakfast, I'm gonna make chia seed pudding. Adding 3 spoons of chia seeds into the jar. 1 spoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. If you don't wanna add cocoa powder, no problem. 1 cup of almond milk. You can add any milk of your choice. Adding 1 spoon of honey into this. Mixing all this together with the help of a spoon. Closing the jar with the lid. I'm gonna soak this overnight in the refrigerator. So at morning, my chia seeds are completely soaked, become fluffy. Now I'm gonna add 1 banana into this. You can pick any fruits of your choice, but it should be in between 100 to 110 calories. Adding 1 spoon of homemade peanut butter on top of this. And yeah, super healthy, delicious choco banana chia seed pudding is ready to enjoy. This is a light breakfast option, yet fulfilling, low in calories but nutritious. After having breakfast, you can have your tea or coffee, but don't add any sugar into your drink. You will definitely feel a little bit hungry after 2 to 3 hours of your breakfast, so here is the snack option. For midday snacks, here I'm having 1 medium-sized orange. You can pick any fruits of your choice, but mind the calories. Here coming to your lunch. For the lunch, today I'm gonna prepare Buddha bowl. At first, I'm gonna prepare cauliflower rice. So here I'm taking 1 cup of diced cauliflower, putting them all into a food processor to make them the size of rice grains. Now look at the cauliflowers, looking like white grains. Heating the pan, and I'm gonna spray some coconut oil into this. So the oil is heated. Now I'm gonna add minced garlic and chopped onions. I'm gonna saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now adding the cauliflower. Seasoning with Himalayan pink salt, black pepper powder and chili flakes. stirring for 1 to 2 minutes. For the fresh flavor, I'm adding here 1 lime zest into this. Adding half of a lime juice. Stirring for another 2 to 3 minutes. And it's done. Let's prepare the bowl. At first, I'm adding cauliflower rice into the plate. Next, I'm gonna add boiled chickpeas. It's a rich source of protein, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It has lots of health benefits such as aiding weight management, improving digestion, and reducing your risk of disease. Adding few slices of avocados at the side. If you don't want to add avocados, you can go for cashew nuts. And adding some sliced carrots. I'm just rolling the carrot slices with my fingers. Okay, so I'm obsessed with plate decoration, so I'm doing this. You don't need to do this. At last, I'm garnishing the cauliflower rice with some coriander leaves. This is a perfectly balanced vegetarian lunch bowl which is extremely nutritious. It's easy to prepare and you can turn this Buddha bowl into your lunch box if you're working outside from home. We all want something in our evening snacks with tea or coffee, so here we go. For evening snacks, you can have 10 pieces of almonds, 3 pieces of walnuts, handful of pumpkin seeds, and 2 dates. With the snacks, you can have your favorite tea or coffee, whatever you like to have, but don't add any sugar into your drink. If you're one of those who go to gym or do workouts, you can have your protein shake. But you have to keep in mind that 1 scoop of whey protein powder contains 100 to 110 calories. So you need to manage the calories with your snacks. Now coming to the dinner option. For dinner today, I'm gonna prepare grilled paneer salad. So here I have 100 gram of paneer or cottage cheese. This is low-fat paneer. I have made this at home. I'm seasoning the paneers with Himalayan pink salt, black pepper powder, and chili flakes. Coating the paneers with the seasoning. Heating the pan and greasing little bit of coconut oil. Now adding the seasoned paneer slices. Grilling the paneer slices on the pan from all the sides. These are perfectly pan grilled. At first, I'm preparing 1 salad dressing. For that, I'm adding low-fat yogurt into a bowl and I'm adding here yellow mustard sauce into this. Giving it a good mix, and now I'm adding chopped onions into this. Mixing all this together and the salad dressing is ready. Here I have some organic lettuce. At first I'm adding the lettuce on the plate. Next I'm gonna add chopped red bell pepper. Adding chopped deseeded tomatoes. Next, I'm gonna add sliced olives. If the olives are not available to you, it's completely fine. Adding the salad dressing on top of this. And here I'm adding the grilled paneers. So yeah, the dinner is completely ready to enjoy. This salad is looking so pretty and colorful. This is a great dinner option if you are vegetarian and wanna lose weight as well. all the meal I have prepared are easy to make, time-saving, healthy and looks good at the same time. These all are low in carbohydrates but comes with complex carbohydrates, rich in fiber, contains protein, vitamin, minerals and healthy fats. This meal plan will make you feel full all the day and you will feel more energetic at the same time. So try this 1200 calories meal plan and let me know in comment below that which recipe you like the most. And don't forget to do workout. Workout is must. Healthy and balanced diet, workout and healthy lifestyle are the keys. Always remember. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video helpful. Then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel. I will meet you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Love you guys. Bye-bye. Take care. Ta-da!